Welcome to Dogverse Daily, where facts bark louder than fiction. Let's bust some myths. A wagging tail does not always mean happiness. Dogs are not colorblind, they see blue and yellow. 1 dog year does not equal 7 human years. Pit bulls are not born aggressive. Eating grass? It is not always a sickness sign. Myth busted. This video was made using free tools. You might see some watermarks, but the knowledge is watermark free. Subscribe now to Dogverse Daily and become the smartest dog parent in your street.